Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Wall, South Dakota. And if you know anything about South Dakota and Wall, you know we're here for one thing. Wall Drugstore. So Wall Drugstore is a roadside stop that's turned into a bit of a monster, I guess. I don't know what you say. It used to be some sort of drugstore, and now it is, I don't know, whatever inspired Buc-ee's maybe. I don't know. This place is huge. I don't know a whole lot about it other than the jackalope. Now you take a picture there and that's about it. But this place is enormous. I didn't want to go in knowing too much. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna discover what is Wall Drugstore and just be dumbfounded, I'm sure. So let's go ahead, let's get in. You ready?
Mm-hmm. You want to go into door number 3?
No.
That's where we're at.
So yeah, Wall Drug Cafe entry. So number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. I guess let's just start at number 1 and work our way around. So we just passed through, we just came straight in door 1 and we passed through, and this is the Wall Drug backyard. I don't know exactly if we're doing it in the right order, but I don't think there is an order because this place is all over the place. There we got some rides. Oh, there's the jackalope. So we do need to do jackalope. And if you know nothing about a jackalope, it's basically a rabbit or a hare that has antlers on it. So this is one of the very important things and big things that they have here. You've got this, jackalope thing, but they're known for, and this is what kind of made them big, was free water, free ice water. So here we have the setup here for the free ice water. I think there's supposed to be 5-cent coffee somewhere, so we'll have to see if we can find the 5-cent coffee. But I guess way back in the day when they started, they came up with the idea of giving out free ice water, and that would make the traveler stop and buy something. And they still give out free ice water to this day. Not bad. No ice, but it is ice cold. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this all out. We'll do it over here first. We got horse and carriage. Oh, that's interesting. So Ken Vance, 1971. Louisville, Ohio. That's where I went to high school. It was in Louisville, Ohio. Cool. So we got horse and carriage. So we got like a train station. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, these. Oh yeah. Got one of these splash pads. Who needs to go? Huh?
Right in the middle.
Oh yeah, I probably would have. I thought it was just up there. I didn't realize it was all down here too. Who needs Rushmore when you got it right here? Let's go ahead and walk around some more. We have full-size buffalo. Yeah, all sorts of stuff. If you have ADHD, you are going to be here for a while. I've been walking around the store here for the last 10 minutes or so, trying to decide what the heck this place is, and I don't think there's a word for it. It's something though. It's got everything and nothing that you would ever want. It's just full of everything. We've got Christmas decorations. They've got multiple different trinket shops, and then a cafe, and then they're selling donuts over here, and then there's another cafe over there. They're giving out free water. They're selling 5-cent coffee. Any trinket you could ever think of, they've got. I don't understand it exactly, but it's something you just gotta see. It's just you walk around and you see things and you get them if you want, and you just look at everything that it has. Wow. Mike likes it. He seems excited. Well, we'll walk out to the beginning again and see if we can see some other stuff. And if you know more of the history of the jackalope, you let me know. I don't know much about it other than it's a mythical creature. So now we are in actual drugstore portion. So we'd actually have like medicines and things, but all sorts of other things if you just keep walking around. You got a whole thing of socks here. I mean, who doesn't want a Sasquatch socks? Or jackalope socks? Or Badland socks? And then we go in here, different store, and we've got more stuff. And it's also one of those places it's easy. I mean, I think we are lost right now. We're just walking around. Yes, it is like a casino. It's made for you to get lost in, and then you just walk around, look at more things, and then find something you want to get. Oh, we found it. Cool. So let's go ahead. We're gonna head back towards the beginning because I think we missed some things. Get a little more, and then see if we see anything else interesting, which is gonna happen. Okay, so we have just walked down a little ways here, starting to get some shops that aren't really wall drugged. They're just kind of connected to the main buildings, but I did want to show you a little bit of what the wall area is, because it is kind of cool area here. So this is the town of Wall, and then you get like a little bit of shops here, but then you get like these old-timey storefronts. They got the old western feel to them. You can see there's all sorts of stuff. There's like a castle, and you get these western type stuff. We got a discount outlet, and they all got that kind of cool feel here. So, and over there is Wall Drug. Cool. So I know this is a little bit of a different video, but this is like one of the roadside oddities in America that's a little different. Everybody needs to go to. So we stopped by and looked around, and it is a maze of wonder. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button now. Comment, if you have any comments, questions. Tell us where the coffee is. We didn't really see the coffee anywhere. We saw it advertised, but I never saw like where you pick it up at. And subscribe. We are heading out to the east from here. Going to go to Badlands National Park right after this. So stay tuned for that one. And anything east of here, we're going to hit some really interesting places along the way. So until then, we'll see you in the next one.